Hello, this is Carrie Claypool with your DIY for the day, and today we're going to be making eye makeup remover. Now, I don't know about you, but the ones I've bought in the past have been really irritating. So I like making them homemade. It's a lot more frugal that way. It lasts a lot longer. Now, I did keep a bottle from one I got at the store. It's a nice bottle that I'm going to reuse. So, and then I labeled it. So a couple of tips on labeling. You can get full-size sheets of paper that are actually stickers, and you can just take an ink pen and write on them, or you can make nice labels. You can print these off and then put them on your bottles, and again, you can reuse bottles or buy new ones from the store. So I just wrote on here the recipe and stuck it on the bottle. That way I can share the recipe with you. I know what's in it so that I can make it again next time. So for the eye makeup remover, you need 4 ounces of water, and this is an 8-ounce bottle, so it'll hold my full recipe. So you may need to change up the recipe depending on how many ounces your bottle is. So it takes 4 ounces of water. And then we're going to do 4 ounces of witch hazel. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of Castile soap. Now you want to make sure that it's unscented, and it doesn't have to be this brand, but just make sure that it's unscented, that it doesn't have any other fragrances or anything in it. And you're just going to want a teaspoon. Now this is a big bottle, and I use it in a lot of recipes, but it just takes a little bit. And it doesn't irritate the eyes or the skin. And then we're going to use 3 drops of lavender, which is really good for the skin and smells nice. A lot of beauty products have lavender in it. And then, I've used frankincense before. Today I'm going to use Elemi, which is considered the poor man's frankincense. So whichever one of these that you have, you can use. It still has that earthy scent to it like frankincense. So I'm going to add 3 drops of this. And that is it. That is the recipe for the eye makeup remover. Again, make sure you label so you know what's in your bottle. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find me on Facebook at Every Single Drop with Carrie Claypool, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.